I can't speak much.
The Teshin blog.
Let me just say a few. The high incidence of internal conflict and underdevelopment is not unique to Africa. However, the native African narrative based on the fact that Africa has abundant natural and economic resources, but the resources are not well managed, leading to poverty everywhere. The way out of this bad management practice must start from the grassroots, where the chiefs remain at the center of development of their traditional areas. And I propose that in the current challenges governance environment, chiefs must take a central role in enhancing livelihood in the communities. I'm also advocating for a dramatic shift from the position of endemic conflict between traditional and democratic leaders over political and space, access to resource and information. Thanks so much for the organizers to manage and set this day for awareness. Thanks so much, and we pray that God will lead you, and will continue to unite us as Africans. Thanks so much, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.